In exactly 5 hours, I leave for a flight to Europe, and I'm gonna show you what I packed. The bag I went with was an Arterex Arios 45-liter bag, and this is it all packed up. I originally was gonna go with a bigger bag because I thought we were gonna be doing a bunch of backpacking only, like not flying, strictly backpacking, like sleeping bags, tents, all that. Then we switched up our plan, our itinerary a little bit. So now we can use these smaller packs. Apparently in Europe, they are very strict on baggage and they won't let you have over a certain size or over 20 pounds. I haven't weighed this yet, so we're hoping it's under 20 pounds, but it's pretty light and there's a lot of room left. So let's see what's inside the bag. The reason I like this bag so much is you can unravel it and then you have this much more space from where you previously had it. First thing that's in the bag is we have 3 packing cubes that all have different stuff in them that help me pack a bunch. Those are the 3 packing cubes in the bag, and as you can see, the bag is almost empty now after taking those out. But we have a couple more items inside. We are bringing my laptop, a 14-inch MacBook Pro. I wasn't gonna bring this originally, but it would be nice to edit along the way. And that is it for the inside of the bag. It is empty, but we do have some stuff on the outside in these outside zippers. Like we got our sunglasses, AirPods, essentials right here. And then we also have a shaver. And then for outside, what's nice about this bag is they have these little pockets right here on these straps. And like, for example, I have my glasses in here because you never know when the contacts are gonna run out. They have more pockets right here and they have a zipper on them as well. And then on the back strap or down here that goes around your waist, there's another zipper pocket right here that will be helpful when you're hiking. There's this top zipper, and then these for your water bottle, or you can even use these to carry some more items as well. And the one thing I don't like about this bag is how there's no side access. You can't just zip it down and then get into it. You have to go from the top. So if anything's at the bottom, it could be a hassle to get to, but there is some zippers and pockets inside of here. Here's our first packing cube. This consists of a bunch of clothes. I brought pants, long sleeves, short sleeves. And here we have our laundry bag. Folds up super nice. So if you have stinky clothes, you can just go right in here and you won't stink up the rest of your pack. And then in here we have one nice linen shirt, 2 pairs of shorts, a quarter zip, 4 long sleeves, and another pair of pants, and another t-shirt, and that's not including what I'm wearing right now. I'm currently wearing a pair of pants, a shirt, a sweatshirt, and socks. So that is all gonna be coming with me on the airplane, as well as this. I'm not sure if I overpacked or underpacked, so we're just gonna play it by ear, and if I need anything, I'll buy it out there. But I'm pretty sure 4 short sleeves, 2 pants, 2 shorts, and a nice shirt will do us good. But that is our first packing cube, and probably one of the most important because that has all of our clothes in it for the whole trip. And then our next packing cube consists of all of our electronics. So in the electronics we have MacBook charger, iPhone charger, we have a lock that we're bringing out there with us. Then I have this little camera tripod that will be fun. We'll update you on what camera we're bringing in a second. SD card holder, hard drive so we can edit on the go and transfer files. And then we have our camera batteries as well. But that is all of that pack. Next packing cube is our underwear and toiletries. So I think I went with 5 pairs of socks and then 5 pairs of underwear for about a month. If that's not enough, we are gonna get some more. But we have my contacts and toothbrush in here, toothpaste, and we also have a stick of deodorant, but I should get more because this is almost out. But that's really it for our underwear / toiletries bag. And then next bag, I got this money belt. It's not like really a money belt, it's like a fanny pack that goes around your waist. So this will have my passport in it and all my other belongings. Like I could throw the camera in here and whatnot. But that is really it for what I'm packing. I'm not sure if it's too much, if it's too little. My bag feels pretty light, so I'm not sure if it's above 20 pounds or not. But we're just gonna play it by ear out there. If I need anything, I'll buy it. And then this is what we're wearing to the airport, as well as I'm bringing a rain jacket, just a normal Columbia rain jacket, because we are gonna be in some cold areas, but mostly warm areas. But that is my pack for Europe. I feel like it is very efficient and small. I am not bringing my Sony a7 IV with me, sadly, or the drone. I actually just purchased a new Sony ZV-1 Mark II. I don't even have it yet, that's what sucks. It comes today and I leave today. So I'm gonna have my buddy that's flying out after me bring it. So we're gonna be testing out a new camera on the spot in Europe. Don't know what to expect, but if I were to bring this camera, it'd be heavy and it'd just be a lot of maintenance, carrying it around, setting it up. I'm excited for the new camera. It's gonna be a good time. I wish I was bringing the drone, but I'm just trying to pack light, and I don't know how much I'd be flying it, but I'm most likely gonna regret this. But now for a little overview on our upcoming trips that we have planned. So obviously we have Europe planned right now, and this is gonna be about a month-long excursion. We are leaving today, and it is May 8th, and we come back, I believe, June 4th or June 2nd. Before we get into where we're going, I'm gonna give a little map going of where we're going, so you can put it into perspective for you guys. But first, we are going to Norway. Right after we fly into London, we are flying out of London into Norway. We're gonna be in Norway for about 4 or 5 days, and we actually got a camper van. I will pop it up right here. It's pretty sick. And we got a camper van for 4 days, and we're just gonna go around seeing all the sights in Norway. And we're picking up Will. I haven't seen Will in who knows how long. It's been a whole semester. He's been studying abroad out in Europe. That's who we're going to visit and travel with. Norway for 4 days, and then we fly out of Norway. I think it's 2 hours, 3 hours to Nice, France, and that is a southern town in France on the coast. And then from Nice over to Monaco, check out Monaco for a day. And then we fly out of Marseille after being there for about, I think it's 2 days, into Venice. And then from Venice, we actually got another camper van. I'll pop it up right here again. And then we're gonna be going around the Dolomites for about, I think 5 days it is. And we're just gonna be chilling in Italy area. We don't have an extensive plan. We kind of just got where we're going, what we're doing. And then we can just figure it out from there, go with the flow on the spot. And then from Italy, we are going to Albania, I believe the 22nd or 21st. And we are gonna be doing a 3-day hike through the Albanian Alps. Yeah, but we're gonna be staying in hostels that I think coordinate the whole thing, because I think we need a guide through the mountains for the trip that we're going on. I could be wrong though, but we fly out of Albania the 26th and we go all the way to Morocco. We are going to Africa this trip. Our buddy that lives out there has some houses and friends in Morocco, so we're gonna go visit him, see what's up, and spend some time in Africa, maybe see the Sahara Desert, but that is gonna be sweet. And then from Morocco, we fly back to London, and then back to the United States. We flew into London and out of London because it's typically the cheapest flight. From other places, they were ranging from like $600, $700. For example, our flight back to the United States was only 200 bucks. I think it was $196, which is a steal for Europe to the United States. So that is exciting. But we have, I think it's 13 individuals coming on this trip. We just have a bunch of different groups that we're going up with, meeting with, and then just traveling with. So it'll be a good time, and I'm gonna capture the memories to the best of my abilities with this new camera. But after Europe, we have another trip coming up where you're going to Alaska. If you didn't see my previous video, I'll pop it up right here. I picked up my new GX 470, and this is going to take us to Alaska. I'm building it up right now, getting it all ready, rooftop camper, and we are going with 4 other vehicles, so it is going to be a good time as well. We're just going to be road tripping all the way from Michigan to Alaska, and we're doing this in about a time span of about a month and a half. And we're just trying to see the national parks out there, the beautiful landscapes of British Columbia, Northwest United States, kind of it all in one type deal. But that is going to be a good time, so stay tuned for that content because we have a bunch of it coming. And then the rest of the summer, we have nothing planned. So if you guys have any ideas, drop them down in the comments, because I would be entertained to any ideas, because we don't have any plans after our last trip. But I'm almost positive we'll brew something up when we're out in Europe or Alaska on what we want to do next. So that is yet to come, but hope you enjoyed this little update video / what I'm packing to Europe. If you think I forgot anything, comment down below, let me know, and maybe I'll be able to go get it out in Europe. But I leave in roughly 5 hours. That's what my flight boards, so I gotta get going. But I will see you guys. Comment, like, subscribe, and be safe.